Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change ringtone on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, changing the ringtone allows you to personalize your device to your liking, making it feel more unique and reflecting your personality or preferences. Not only that, choosing a ringtone that fits your mood or the occasion can enhance your overall experience and make receiving calls more enjoyable. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Play Settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, here you can select Sound and Vibrations. And then choose the ringtone option. Well, and on this page, you will see a list of available ringtones. You can scroll through the list to preview different options. Once you have found the ringtone you like, tap on it to select it. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change ringtone on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.